Back in action.
Back in action.
Welcome, brewers and beer lovers, to Flying Wombat TV, the channel all about beer, banter, and bloody good times. It's been a while since I've used that intro, actually. Been doing the cold openers lately.
Been a while since we've done a brew talk.
It has been, and there's good reason for this one. By the way, all the brew talks now are largely being dedicated towards Patreon, so if you want to get the behind the scenes and get all that action, more direct interaction with us, check the link down below to go look at that. But today's brew talk is quite special because in this one we are celebrating hitting 5,000 subscribers. So a massive thank you to all of you who watch this channel, support the channel, and like, comment, all that good positive YouTube stuff.
Do you ever expect it to hit 5,000?
I expected it to hit 5,000 a lot longer ago. I mean,
that's the dream.
That's the dream. But the reality is, homebrewing is a niche hobby in a niche part of YouTube, and I am very happy though that we've hit 5,000. It's very gratifying that there is literally over 5,000 people that on a regular basis will tune in and watch us talk absolute garbage on the interwebs because we have a platform apparently, and that's pretty cool. And it's pretty cool that we get to share our experiences with you guys and share our brewing knowledge and swap ideas around and just have a general good time. Yeah, and cheers. And today we are celebrating that with the cream ale. If you haven't seen this video, link to that one up there. This is an American cream ale, which is a very corn-forward beer. So it's primarily like ale malt or pilsner malt and a whole bunch of corn. And this one, I think it was about 30% corn, flaked corn, and then a decent amount of corn sugar, just dextrin, not...
Dude, it's such a weird beer. So good.
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah, and I've never
this is my first time trying it.
True. First experience shot there.
I haven't tasted it in a while. So
yeah, it's a beer style that we in Australia just don't have access to. It does not exist here at all. And that was a large reason for me wanting to brew it, because I've heard good things about this from the Americans in the home brewing world for a very long time. And just Americans in general, that cream ale is just a staple beer in the States. Don't have access to it here, so we decided to brew our own, and this is the result. So super corn forward, very dry, very clean finishing, but the kicker is that it's got the hybrid yeast pitch that makes it the cream ale.
Yeah, what do you even classify it?
I don't know.
I feel like it's more like, has more of a lager-ish taste compared to a pale ale taste,
But it doesn't have a lager taste. That's like not fully.
Not fully.
Yeah.
It's not fully.
Yeah. Because it's a co-pitch. So this one is ale yeast and lager yeast. So fermented cold for a ale, warm aside for a lager, and the result is a really easy drinking experience. It's not so clean as a lager, but much cleaner than an ale. And it makes it straight up lawnmower beer.
I love the malt.
Very easy
the malt
to drink.
Flavors, that corn.
Yeah.
Wow. That corn is nice. Like, it's not a very hoppy beer, but the hops are balanced quite well with the malts and everything.
And their IBUs, the bitterness was quite low. I think it was somewhere around 13 IBUs. The ABV is 4.7%, so it's just easy, mid-range strength lawnmower beer that you can sit on all afternoon long. It's very easy to drink, but not boring. It's got flavor to it.
What's the alcohol?
4.7.
Yeah.
It's just easy drink, and it's nicely carbonated now. I think it was slightly flat, or on the flatter side when I did the tasting at the end of the main video, but now you got that nice cascade of bubbles just rising to the surface. It's such an easy beer, but it's such an easy, but it's such a flavorsome beer at the same time. I really like that corn flavor coming through. I'm a huge fan of it. I understand why it's so popular in the States. That and subsidized corn. But something we do need to talk about is how we're also going to celebrate this for all of you guys. Is we want to do a giveaway. So. Yeah, we haven't done a giveaway in quite a while. We haven't done a giveaway since the new rebranding of our merch, which is Beer, Banter, and Bloody Good Times on the embroidered shirts, and that's what we want to give away to one of you. So we're going to talk about how to enter.
How do we enter?
So
I want to win. No, it won't be rigged.
If Odin wins, I promise it wasn't rigged.
Well, are we going to pull it out of a hat again?
I think we pull it out of a hat, and the way to register your name is simply leave a comment down below on this video, share it around with your friends, give it a like, all that kind of good stuff. We'll throw your name in, and then at the end of I'm going to give it a week. At the end of a week after this video is released, we'll do a quick short and film, us pulling the name out of the hat. And then get in touch with us, either on like Instagram or on our Facebook page.
We'll probably message you on YouTube. Though.
Yeah, we'll drop a comment down below on YouTube.
Message you.
Can you do that on YouTube?
Yeah.
He does that stuff.
We'll direct message you if you've won.
Okay, there we go. We'll do that.
Literally.
We'll make
We'll
things
stalk
easier.
you, find your address, and deliver it personally. Oh, man.
Yeah.
So what's the future of Wombat, mate? 10K?
What's the future? 10K. I mean, the goal, it would be lovely to hit 10K by year's end. It's ambitious, but plausible. So keep helping us. Keep sharing this around to people you think will like this channel. Keep engaging with us and letting us know what kind of videos you want to see, because the growth is great, but we also want to make content that you guys like watching. Yeah. So give us your ideas on concepts you might want to see, on projects or experiments you want us to run. Obviously, we'll keep doing recipes. It's the bread and butter of what we do, but we also want to explore other types of videos that you might want to see done with people that have the ability to just run a whole bunch of experiments and stuff. So let us know what you want to see.
Should we give a hint for next week?
I think so. Okay, so the upcoming beers. Well, Easter is coming, so there is going to be an Easter special. We always do a Christmas special, an Easter special. Last year we did the white chocolate stout.
Very good beer.
The hot cross bun white chocolate stout. Year before that we did the milk chocolate stout, which was just a decadent display of Cadbury chocolate in a glass. A lot of chocolate.
So we've changed it up from chocolate to hot cross bun. If someone guesses it,
it'll be very impressive. I think
if someone guesses it, should they get a shirt?
If you can guess, yes. Yeah. Actually, you know what? If you can guess what the beer is going to be, you will get a shirt. The first person to guess it will get a shirt. Because everyone guesses it, I'm going to go broke. But first person to guess it will get a shirt. Your hint is obviously it's going to be Easter themed, and it's going to be a stout. And your hint is black and white.
That's too much.
No, I think it's tough. I think that's tough enough.
We'll see.
Black and white, and it's a stout. Figure it out from there.
Yeah.
And then the next video after that is gonna be going back to the land of the IPA. So we're gonna be hitting up a really cool twist on an IPA that I've been wanting to make for quite a while now. But
twist, is that a hint?
Twist could be a hint. Tangy could be another. Delicious, sweet, juicy, obviously. But yeah, those are your hints for the next couple of videos coming up. I hope you guys enjoy joining our journey so far and continue to do so in the future. And until next time, guys, cheers. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing.